At least 11 people them don't lost house them we born for inside Douala here now for Besenge quarter. Where the tin pass, we go take una to enter for place where the column say Boya disorder. It be the day for Boya side as we another taxi man he hear hot after we saw uniform moto he wakam he jam the taxi for roads around Campaign Street and Bakwere town entrance for people there they sabi Boya in the preparatory to for this afternoon. We go show now that accident will happen for place where the column say Beseke now for Douala for subdivision inside the same chapter. Latest update for corona for the whole world we go bring them for now. Now so too we go take una talk as we dey so president for CAF where they call it Dr. Patrice Motsepe. As so the talk he don't land for Ivory Coast now for start some 3-day waka as we to re-enter for we hear even president for FIFA where they call it Giovanni Vincenzo Infantino. He too he go be for Ivory Coast country people them. We go take una enter for side for Fumbo to the year say fire. He don't cash for the courthouse for that side so for Fumbo for Sika problem where it happen for them. All this story them plus newspaper we go bring them for now for Tori for this afternoon. Big people them talk. It tell we say elephant wey key arata e no be na hero. I say elephant wey key arata e no be na hero. Big people them talk. E come out na for chair divine wey e dey look just now for office Glotello for Aqua side. We return back small time with Tori for inside Equinox Story House. Good afternoon for outside the country people them. We glad say we don't meet up on again chapter 1. The first PG news inside this month for me. This Monday when I sabi say Saturday it be then a big day for work people them. We no be glad but people then they will be glad their own. Tori for this afternoon country we go take una first for inside the Besenge. Yes, for Besenge side country people them we go talk on top this palaver for fire we it be cash for inside Besenge. Wana sabi say as we Tori be enter we here. This fire it born na for Friday night breaking Saturday as we Tori enter for we here and all people them we wanna see them. Mami we dey with that blue clothes. Na SSF it been a one of the tenants them inside this compound and this say the whole house it burn as well the fire it cast for them. Make we enter just now for inside for showing us say this will be war where the year say at least 11 rooms them there be day for inside that place as we to re-enter for inside we here as we they talk for we on top this matter country people them inside all the 11 rooms them we here say no person no come out even one thing for inside this different rooms them where it is so the fire be cast for there and the fire with the year it starts now for some dumb up for one of the tenant them where it fix bicycle. Time when people that one can join hand for lost that fire for Saturday starts. The man where the fix the bicycle it denies say me they no come help. Now from there where the fire start work so they enter it burn all other tenant them. Sabi say we get some section for the house where it be then a block. Another section it be there where be then a calabot. So if the block sides it no be really burn that kind of way as soon as I'm say water be this also come out even television we burn it fall for down. The calabot house all thing it burn you know be even fit for sabi self if it be then a part for person in house. This one are just part of the block house where the block it no be fall but the effect for the fire and the way the fire be strong you fit see on top this the house the side for block where it burn na side self that way be there so television be get for stand. Now for outside the house section na this na part this when na calabot it be there for that section when na calabot it there all thing it burn as we Tori enter for inside we hear. Make we hear the mommy where he losses plenty thing. He talk for we microphone.
When I be come back around 10 o'clock, I can meet up and say house day in flames. I can meet up support compare them all side. But my only fear, the only thing is I be the ask and say, well, who's my picking day, who's my picking day? Because if they ask you one picking of 13 years, they say neighbor don't come broke house, carry the picking trap outside because fire be the cash. Now I just the panic. I ask and say, what to be the cause of the fire? They say, well, neighbor be the manipulate. Now wait, they don't tell me they say neighbor be the manipulate something. Fire start cash. They even talk to me, come. I say no, it will lost lost am, he will lost am. So now they cause that for the fire. And only so I don't know me whether he be used now wait on a phone on a wait where we use am. Cause the fire. And the fire this the cash since yesterday till now. So we smoke the stick come out all place. So you don't make I say all man inside the compound they with 8, 10, 9 tenants. All man. No man eating, no come up. Only thing what thank God na say my pikin dey alive.
Now how many rooms in totally for inside the compound?
The compound get about 12 rooms.
Okay.
This my also na 2 room and a parlor, and then this one 12 na 13 room they say. Okay. Because one room then 2 then did. All the houses them all no man no come out with anything. All the burn.
No.
But the thing where it surprised me na how chop no burn inside plastic bucket.
Okay.
Now the only my surprise and Bible too every day the Bible too no burn.
Yes, a total for 13 rooms where they be inside the compound and all e born as we mami we SSP own house. E born, e be the talk for we. But just now, make we try for tell una say this so that mami, e be the one of the person to the fire. E be born and plenty and books them for picking, particularly own picky way be day school. All books them the born for inside the fire for your own room and una go see say even a bed and even other books them identity cards, important document them, all thing a burn for the fire. And now the mami palo said that will be the inside. One na the see say they so all book them burn na bed that. One na see say that side. All clothes already be dead they burn. So mami clothes one na be see am where he wear am for his skin. Na the only clothes with that where mami get am just now after we fire am, he burn all eating them inside a house and even fridge plus books them for picking with the year picking be the prepared to for exam. But just now it been a big losses as well no person inside that compound a carry in even a chew soup where they be cook am or so na the see am the fire it burn enter for inside so they dry kanda na one na the see am so inside that pot. Mami tell we una dem na like tenants but the person wey get house if you don't pass on the place for try for check to it happen.
Actually in a family house, the person wey get the house na it's some woman wey dey bona bury. The parents dey live in and he can't collect rent. He don't come, but actually he no talk no nothing. He be travel, so they call he just pass here see the thing then go he never talk anything for it. All thing burn, my ID card, all picking their thing there, birth certificate, everything as I stand so. Even handbag I no get her, nothing. As I stand as I be the come back so. Nothing.
So as well the see with the close on only the thing that
now
make escape.
Now all me this ID card I not get them. The worst of honor say I go take my salary yesterday. They burn me inside house. All thing, nothing. I don't get anything. The begin say they even get safe pass because they carry it tram like tram.
Yes, mami no even last chop that salary as we don't talk. He put them for house. He no be sabi say fire be the camp. And army rescue people them they don't vex plenty for sick say that fire way cash. Maybe no for burn all the 13 rooms and for the house. If open roads, it be there for that quarter for Bessenger where the fire be cash. For sick say they be get trouble before they be fit for enter for lost fire. So make we try for the lookout for sick say maybe Operation Chakara. He go enter for that quarter some more time. But apart from all two a born, something that they will meet up these onions, one at the siam and the yam inside that container, sharps and two, where they inside that tin, on a she sharps and no, gari, on a son at the column. Gari to no born, yam in no born, onions in no born, and this plastic container one at the siam, waiting the day inside, so na gari that, where no born for inside the all other thing for inside the house is born, but now only gari and this one yam, and thing the way they be there inside this plastic container, na the thing that way they be come out inside the house with fire, in no touch at all country people them as we to re-enter we here. Make we see this kanda too, where they be the prepare for make achu soup, kanda to no born, kanda so they can't pay. Yes, as soon as they say I'm so for inside pot. Make we hear just now the sister for mami way or itini born. We be meet up here where it can look thing way happen for his sister.
Auntie also this what he said make that fucking birth certificate then. I say I don't just this one I don't stand for all in your past me. I don't know what to talk. Just send me message for 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock my phone will vibration. I know even say now around 6 when I want on my phone I see me say WhatsApp I just jump for bed. I say I want come auntie also born all. This one don't know how to start it.
Yes, country people, them just now we go take una enter for different chapter for Tori, and we go take una, we show the last part for this fire, make we show na that 13-year-old pikin, we lucky be there for his side, this pikin, he be the sleep, time we fire the cash, na neighbor they come broke door, carry the pikin throw am for outside, so na just so tell we say, if neighbor their head no be think quick, then we for talk say one person he die for inside house as we fire he be cash for day. Now for inside Besenge where the thing he pass country people them. Make we left chapter for fire for Douala. We take una go to for Yawende. We for that side so for Yawende as we at Tori enter for inside we EM. Now some popular bar for that side so for inside quarter we they call them say Omnisport for Yawende. We fire am he born am for early morning time on Sunday as we Tori enter for inside we hear population say for inside Omnisport quarter they only wake up now with this plenty heat where it be just daylight say they don't die go now for hellfire. Now the heat he wake up them one time too they call army rescue people them say to the camp they come for camp see as well they fit control the fire before he walk am he enter for different house them where he dey for corner so that one now only inside the house as we talk the bar where he suffer plenty for sick as say all thing there for day. He born, they no come out, no nothing. We come out for fire, we enter for problem for roads, and na taxi people them for Boya, where they provoke again on Sunday. Country people them, taxi people them inside Boya, they provoke after we moto for uniform people they will be the run like Chris Cow, he jam some other taxi where he be the worker. Just now, the two way versus taxi people plenty. Now say after this moto where he be the run like Chris Cow, he jam this taxi for middle road. The motor no even turn up self. For sick I say they wear uniform, they check say they so na them get all sides as well the taxi people them. They be the talk taxi people them for Boya. They say they no be na enemy with police or uniform people them. But the thing I say make the uniform people them too they strive for understand. Say inside Boya, all them they she don't like one people. Maybe the only two way don't separate them where they no fit talk say all them be one. Now say they wear uniform clothes. Apart from the uniform, all them there's also been a Papa God, he created them. So this motor owner see where the chakara so taxi people them, they blame now for uniform people them where they be there inside motor, then they run with it plenty speed, plenty time. This speed it don't cause plenty chakara inside Boya and so now no person he never learn. All the time na picking already the kill him. Now na taxi people them make we hear one taxi man where he talk for we.
Yes, where do I see them on the kind of way because the way they run inside town, you can say they have a highway. And don't take driver, they don't take driver like common people. Because man no come buy a new motor as a staff for so one day about 3 million that one day yesterday that money you don't go for water. So what you want to say we get a ride inside town, this town our town. No matter who is down for this town as a uniform man, if go live we will see the men inside town. And two more one say one say when they release our colleague we don't jam me don't go lucky one minute release he and make the motor as I may be beyond the because already it don't touch engine on this may buy new motor for this this motor for our colleague where don't buy don't so we don't get problem with any uniform man. Yes, we are not friends then. But when they want to make who will be an enemy, who will be like an enemy. Because this way do so it be very wrong. You will jump accident, what you want to know where it's not driving school. Accident. When better jam you know get was slappy. You get the pop was when they drop on that. When don't the contact. When I follow the insurance, my phone is still a safety. The uniform my minor law. They will jump person. They are the slap person beat this they go lucky. So that's why I see about the kind of way today. Once may release.
Yes, una go hear from where to where the taximan don't talk. Uniform motor jump person, civilian, he own motor, then the uniform man come out again. he slap the civilian on top say na him make fault. So some of that thing them with the back say make the delegate for national security he try for look inside this matter in the proper, and even the big man for gendarme people them, if Galase Toga make it try for look inside the matter. If you be uniform man where sabi say don't fall law, no go fall again law for slap the civilian, then you carry you go lock him again. Well, now the thing that way the taxi people that they talk, and the thing that way vex them plenty on top that way happen for Boya on Sunday. Inside Douala here too, another accident to be passed, and now for that side so for Beseka, so now they see this motor country people them, the motor whether na say the driver he be drink plenty mimbo or na say na brakes he craze, nothing that way people them they no be fit for understand for side for Beseke for Douala for subdivision where the motor he run so te bam he go jam na for some people them office now for this way the motor last stand up time where people they be reach or they be take image for that motor country people them as soon as sabi no person he no be meet up the driver for day, and no person no sabi whether the driver he come out alive or the driver he die, and we too we reach one day we no fit for confirm and we no fit for conclude say the accident he kill person or he get caught for person, na just the empty motor we will meet up for place where this accident he be passed for that side. So for Beseke now for inside Douala for subdivision country people them. Today na big day for Tori people them, and Sabi Sep say as well the big day it dey come Tori people them where they come up from Bamenda, Yawende, Douala, Limbe, Kumba, and even for Boya, they be meet up now for that side. So for inside Boya Council Hall, it be dinner time for Tori people them for turn back for school small, for Sabi waiting where they get for talk and wait where they no get for talk. Waiting be the right for Tori man and other thing them. Sabi Sep say inside this Ngandowe be pass the small gathering where Tori people they be get we be get Dr. Christopher Fomion we be talk for Tori people them right from Joe Biden the country, and we be get people that like other people that they sabi wait Tori people they get for do and they don't get for do. We get Gilbert and even Ima Ikong we all them they talk for waiting wait Tori people then get for sabi, and wait Tori people they no get for do for time we place in the kene for inside country. So it been a small talk and it be part for the Ngando for glad the number 10 Bonday for the Scoop newspaper we award in the camp for side for Boya today for 4 o'clock. Make we hear just now in my come we try for talk for Tori people them who be that peace story man waiting eager for do. Make we hear in my come talk for we.
Peace journalism, they go beyond the normal reporting what don't they do, what they call and say traditional reporting. Traditional reporting is synonymous to conflict reporting, and especially for situation for crisis like the one we face for Cameroon. Traditional or conflict reporting will be in that situation where you just be interested for can tell people them which don't happen or the number of people that don't die. But peace journalism now, or peace journalists, it will go the extra mile. So one will report in a way where the audience or the people the way that they listen or they read it, they go understand say non-violent way then they could solve that problem where it don't happen. Because you'll discover and say if you want to look at the way some of we don't report, maybe what headline there, what news caption there, and the angle them, what don't the gear for some of our story then. You'll discover say most of our angle them and our choice of words, they call it for grammar say diction. It don't go a long way for further intensify or radicalize people. They radicalize means you increase anger for other people there. So now peace journalism is another new concept where would you try to make a new journalist they understand say you get that responsibility for report story, especially crisis story, for such a way where people the way they will listen to you they go understand say not be all problem or problem not supposed to be solved using violence.
Yes, if you look out some problem with the tongue, it means say if some person they can with the tongue, you too if you with the tongue. Now for fine way they so you go cool that tongue for the other person, so that place a quiet bit. Which kind of strong talk you get them for the Tori people them, particular they want them where they don't choose for be peace Tori people them.
Tori people and I say peace journalism is a new concept for Cameroon, and we don't come now because of the situation where the face for Cameroon. So now responsibility where all Tori people there for Cameroon they get to now opportunity they need to embrace them, because remember the top of grammar say the journalist has the watchdog role. So now time for we to embrace peace journalism, start to review or revise the way we don't handle especially crisis crisis report or crisis story. To take up that responsibility, say anytime where you want report on an issue, especially it may be related to conflict, may you know say your objective. Now for make the conflicting parties they understand say violence not always be the solution. Peace journalism it be solution oriented, it be constructive in nature. So when you be a peace journalist, you do report now because you want to bring positive change for society, not before for escalate violence for inside people there.
Thank you, Imai Kong, for that better talk. We don't talk for Tory people them just now. Make we look the latest update for chapter for Corona inside the whole world. The tell we say this number 3 day for May, 152,871,267 people. Now the total case are for people that they already catch Corona since we come for the whole world. 89,619,440 people that already well. 3,202,541 people that already die for Sika this Corona. We the worry people them. For Cameroon, for number 1 day for May, Minister for Sick People Manauda Malashi, it be common number for Cameroon too. Since we Corona enter for Cameroon, 72,250 people that already catch Corona, 67,625 people that already well, and 1,107 people that don't die since Corona enter for Cameroon. Number for people that they get Corona where they day for sick bed, just now I saw the talk, now 3,518, and Sabi say inside 304 where they for on top hospital beds, 89 they use now oxygen before they breathe. You go read Tory 2 where it consign country people them the percentage for people that they for sick beds now 9.6%. Now we mean say it really go for up. Make we see just now concerning this matter the update at Palava for vaccination country people them inside the vaccination. Make we try for see where to consign this vaccination arrangement country people them. Sabi say minister for sick people. A try for Terry say it is so this vaccination as of number 29 day for April 2021. Cameroon inside 2 weeks where they start vaccination say now only 20,010 people them where they don't already take their own injection according to it way Manauda Malashi it talk for that number 1 day for May and it talk say make we continue for Kanchukwu injection for Sikasena Tinda we go look out we and for continue for respect ngomna other country them day where they give it their update. Make we take una enter for South Africa 1,222,000 people them where they test them positive for Sunday. 1,584,064 people them they don't already catch the corona since we come for South Africa. 1,507,778 people they don't well and 54,417 people they don't die since corona it enter for inside South Africa. For Nigeria, according to the number them where them get on Sunday, they talk in at 28 positive cases where they count for Nigeria for Sunday. 165,181 people they don't catch corona since we enter Nigeria. 155,361 people they already well and 2,063 people them they don't die for Nigeria since corona it enter for the country people them. For Ivory Coast on Sunday now 36 people they test them positive for inside Ivory Coast. 62 people them well and 1 person he die. On top sick beds 219 people them where they get sick where they sleep just now. 48,150 people them total where they don't catch corona since we enter Ivory Coast. 45,644 people where they already well. 287 people that don't die inside Ivory Coast since we corona he enter for the country people them. Make we take una go for Ivory Coast. We go remain for Ivory Coast for tell una say this so Dr. Patrice Motsepe and Giovanni Vincenzo Infantino, president for FIFA, they wait them for that side so for Ivory Coast just now. Now the president for CAF where it already land for Ivory Coast and now the woman where they with that red clothes where it is so it be now the woman where the lookout football just now for Ivory Coast. Now it all come good for Dr. Patrice Motsepe. It be now the first official work away the make am since we chop chair like president for Confederation for African Damba and for Ivory Coast. As I talk, he go dey in a president for FIFA. As I talk for now for we strong story, we don't get small of the image for Fumbot with the yes in a courthouse on the same way they for fire for that side. So for Fumbot with the yes say they so now people the way they vex enter for inside courthouse, they say they so they no define one of their person way they so they lock am way don't die. So the vex enter for side. So for Fumbot, so as well the talk Fumbot in the hot courthouse in dey for fire and plenty call them lawyer them the day when they define them they never see am for sika one person way die. We go surely develop that story for now. We'll meet up now for morning time tomorrow. Country people them and we go come off Fumbot. We just enter for Bamenda for Sabi say honorable for side them. They don't continue for do small help them for side for Momo na help that we honorable come off for Gogiam for some small hospital for inside the zone we na SSF in the local time. So we go turn back for day for morning time and for place where they call them say and Donga Mantumtu Sabi say just now with the here say on top this matter Amos maybe if you enter for the next image with the here say 5 million francs CFA na the total amount that for money where it is so they don't give them for outside for side for Donga Mantum. So it is so schools them for Njema, Nkambe, Sa, Conchep, Central Mosque from Nkambe and Kiku Binjum Sub Palace, other places are call them money now for use and for fix and it come out from their own picking where they call it Honorable Ngala Gerard as we Tori enter for insights we hear. We don't finish for this afternoon, but maybe before we come out, we fit take some of the newspaper the way they for we house this afternoon. Guidance Post, it tell we or the Horizon the talk say it be dinner another weekend with blood for Northwest and Southwest. You go read that chapter for inside Horizon newspaper. Southwest Regional Council says them the vex say they so since when they still give them work, they vote them, they never start work. You go read that chapter. You go read 32 where concern Tum for Barrister Nico Halle for the Horizon newspaper. You go read. Say Ambassador 2 in the market as we Horizon newspaper. He talk this afternoon. Other to read them, if you read them for day. Guidance Post, it tell we as we some amber people them, some boy they go they with gun, they attack some uniform people their place and kill first uniform people them. Now one of the to read that for the Guidance Post. Now so two people them for inside office for Gratango. They don't tell you say congratulate for the better work we do for say this corona order people them respect them. Minister Felix Mbayu too, they don't talk Natengi, thank you, as we go see Muslim people them, as we they prepare for Ramadan. Other to read them inside the Guidance Post, you fit for read them. We get the media newspaper, where it turn back for tell for we, all this thing the way this also happen for inside country, some honor, he don't talk say waiting small time, the people there they don't talk power for country, they go broke down, according to it where the media they talk for we media too, they talk, palava for hate talk, inside we country, they ask them, if this one, it go ever help or not just fight where it no go ever come to anything. You go read them inside the media newspaper for this afternoon. They start the talk as way they so they talk say make people them where they want divide country, may they sabi say that one a just dream, say it no go ever happen. Now one of the strong number that inside the Star newspaper. The Star newspaper too, it talk palava for we worry them for inside we country. The Voice it dey too for outside this afternoon. Inside the Voice, you go read Toriwe consign tomorrow for Cameroon. Then they ask na question whether Cameroon it go beat another kind of one where when Papa go picking go she done on top chair. That chapter there for the Voice and the Voice to talk the attack will be happen for West region where 4 soldiers them die for inside that attack will happen and other to read them for inside the Voice newspaper this afternoon. Strong number for in-depth news. Now the 4 soldiers them and one way 4 soldiers where they die and one way get caught for Galim and the talk say this one in the show say the problem for Southwest and Northwest it never finish. See ROI dash where go down for refugee people them too for Nigeria. In-depth news it carry this afternoon and the Cameroon Insider the last newspaper will go look for insight it talk for we palava for corona and how way it don't make them thing they don't change for inside office them. You feel read them for inside the Cameroon Insider this afternoon. Cameroon Insider too, it get other to read them. Now just for you, for buy, for sabi, wait till they talk. We'll turn back for some of the newspaper that will not be fit for show today. We go turn back for the Era Tribune and even the other newspaper. tomorrow wey e dey na Tuesday, country people dem. Na so we see country this afternoon for side for Equinox Satori House. I wan say happy birthday again for Mami Susan Nayongoluma Hadison wey enact 100 year e be dey na on Sunday for that side so for Newtown Limbe. Thank you plenty Amos Fongo na he put camera for my before and you dey for bag machine as so he give you image them. Thank you to Ledu Pone, thank you to for a backside Derek wey too dey for one end and all the technician dem Alice. And no forget you, thank you. Sote for tomorrow, if Papa God agree, una hold am tight.